Hello, today we'll be comparing Keurig Slim single serve cake pot coffee maker versus TENKER Espresso machine 20 bar. Be sure to watch to the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Type of coffee: TENKER's better. Brewing capacity: Keurig's better. Pressure system: TENKER's better. Programmability: TENKER's better. Brews range control: TENKER's better. Single serve option is tie. Water reservoir: Keurig's better. Hot iced coffee brewing: Keurig's better. Technology: TENKER's better. LCD display interface: Keurig's better. Heating speed: it's tie. Ease of use: Keurig's better. Filter type: Keurig's better. Size portability: Keurig's better. Cleaning: Keurig's better. Footprint design: Keurig's better. Build quality: TENKER's better. Special features: Keurig's better. Price: Keurig's better. Who is best for depends on your preferences. Coffee quality: TENKER's better. Durability: TENKER's better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that really tastes good making coffee, then the best choice will be the TENKER Espresso machine 20 bar. The link to buy it is in the video description.